Where this is our server. I
Mm-hmm.
given company code is demo. Ours is
Uh-huh.
just have posted only one FD account.
Mm-hmm.
Have created one FD. Just general settings, money market. The same settings you can continue with this. So only I have completed configuration only for product type 51A. This one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Rest
Mm-hmm.
everything deposit at notice, commercial paper you can practice if you remember.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
Deposit at notice and commercial practice,
yeah,
commercial paper rather.
commercial paper. Only these two. Then all company code settings has done. So we may get
Mm-hmm.
one some error while posting to FI. We may get certain errors for cast element related. So OKB9. So generally I have this setting also I have done. OKB9 we need to do it. Company code demo. Okay, I have given the revenue only one account. If you get any error in some other GL, you can go to OKB9 and do it. So actually, SIMG it is there. Na? Actually, we have another configuration settings for this company code and cost center settings.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to cost center and profit center. We need to do it. Additional account assignment. We need to maintain derivation rule for additional account assignment.
Okay.
So this will take up later. As of now, we are using just OKB9 and another setting is there here in profit center. See uh, what happened. Okay, we'll see here. KS01 or I think cost center change. This came to picture. Set controlling area. Only one cost center I have created.
Mm-hmm.
Here, in general, what we have this thing, no?
Mm-hmm.
Controlling. When we create, generally, we won't allow this cost element for, we'll make it lock for actual revenues and planned revenues in real time in our productions. So when we make it this tick and say we'll restrict the cost element to revenue postings, then interest received is a revenue cost element, so it won't allow us to post it. For that, there are two types to sort out that issue. One is default profit center accounting, and we'll do it. What is that? FAGL3KEH in HANA. There we'll make it one dummy profit center, default profit center for our GLs. That is one way. Second way is here only we need to maintain the derivation rule. Both. As
Mm-hmm.
of now, at present, I have removed this one. Then for next this thing, we'll restrict that one and try to post to GL and what are the errors we are getting, and we will maintain this 3KEH default profit center accounting, as well as we'll maintain the derivation rule for that. This is the only major issues with this thing. So actually in HANA 20, we have this thing. uh, Main profit center and cost center fields are there to fill it up, but why it is not coming, I don't know, in 22. Okay, okay, see. Actually, in administration tab, we should have this profit center and cost center in 2022, but here I am not seeing anything. I need to check the layout whether something is blocked or something hidden. Administration, in administration tab we'll have, in HANA we have this thing, field status, field cost center, profit center and all the things, but here in this layout I am not finding that one. I need to check that one. 20 in 2020 it was there. Previous versions also they have introduced in HANA this cost profit center and cost center. This was the old this thing only. This is the old
Okay.
environment position indicator. Here account assignment cost center. This is the old system. But the same thing we need to maintain or not. See, the SAP also will change into 1909. One field was there, 1709 FI12 was not there. And we need to go through this thing with Fiori apps only. But here he has given FI12 in 2022. He will make certain changes, one or the other. Okay. What we'll do, you have any commitment need to go out or something? Satya.
No,
Okay.
I'm okay.
So just will this. How you want to go? Whether I want to maintain one other new product type for long-term loans,
Yeah, we
or
can do that. Yeah.
we can do that. So 55 is the standard one. Interest rate instruments. Generally, uh, as per the client requirement, we need to go for long-term loans, mid-term loans, or short-term loans. We need to create separate, configure separate product type for such type of requirements. So just we'll create, copy this one, 55A, change it to LTL. Here you change this one, text. Long-term loans. This is the same. Interest calculation method, same. Effective interest method, which one we want? This is the IRR, we can say. US method, Miller or linear. Just we'll take it this thing. Free calculation competitive. Facility, when we go to facility, then we'll discuss this field. Everything is same. Enter. Save it. So again, next step is transaction types. Define number ranges. Okay, for commercial, so I'll make it this one, 02 1001 for till 2000. This is for deposited notice. This is for commercial paper. And this is for long-term loans. Define transaction types. Only two transaction types are there, 100 and 200. Now I'll take only for long-term loans, no interest investments, 100 investment. That is, we'll use it for when we start come to these things, intercompany loans or intercompany transactions. As of now, I am taking only borrowing.
Mm-hmm.
So here is ours is 04. Sorry, 04. Everything is same. Here the major this thing is premium discount. What is this premium and discount? Is the if you select this one, you can maintain the processing charges. You can amortize the processing charges. Directly it will give the in the system. If you won't select this one, it will be generally the field will be there won't be any nominal amount and we cannot calculate amortization on the processing charges. That is the new feature available in HANA.
Okay.
Okay. Payment amount or nominal amount. This is for all borrowing types. We'll have processing charges, anything, any other charges we can maintain it. So generally what happens, suppose if you take a certain on like loan, so processing fee will be 1% or 2%. So they will deduct the uh, processing charges and they will pay us, the bank will uh, credit us the only the amount of net amount. So these balance amount of 1000 has to be amortized. So for that purpose, SAP has introduced this in HANA. Previously, there was no charge. This thing they used to directly we used to debit to the our P&L account all the processing charges and everything. Now the
Mm-hmm.
processing charges, the as per the new accounting standards and this thing, we cannot charge the processing fee in that particular year, in the year where we have taken loan, received the loan. So that processing charges has to be amortized during the tenure of the loan. So other charges like stamp duty and other thing that we can charge to P&L account except processing charges. So for that purpose, SAP has provided this additional field. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then same flow types, define flow types to same flow types will be available, same standard one. Here assign flow types. Here we can check 55A. Oh, sorry. 55A borrowings. So borrowings, we have these standard flow types. Just we'll copy this one, 19019. These are charges. 1905 and 1906 are for withholding tax. So just copy, change this one.
Okay.
To 1905. Okay, I'll take this one. Copy, change to LTL. This is derivative flows is for withholding tax. Update types, assign flow type to update type. Same thing, we should not do anything. We need not do anything. Why? Because all the flow types we are using standard, so it will be there already. Flow types and all the things. So condition types also we won't do anything. Same standard only we'll use. So condition types are same. Just we'll copy and change it. Assign condition types. Here the difference is if you take update types, assign flow types to update types, already standard will be available. Except that conditions, same standard conditions, principal increase, final repayment, nominal interest, and other things are same. Assign condition types to 55A, transaction type 200. Copy. LTL, same. Position indicator and other things same. Assign general valuation class for transactions. Select new entries. Company code demo. Product type LTL. Transaction type 200. General valuation class. We'll have. We'll take it as liabilities or long-term borrowings. We can do it. Okay, I'll take as of now liabilities. Then while making transaction, we'll change it. So only we'll have to change this. Okay, I'll go ahead. General settings. Counting settings for position management. Here we need to have consider. So define management procedure. So I'll take it as 2501 money market. Here I don't want this one. Okay. Forex also I don't want. Here instead of foreign currency valuation, let it be. Here I'll take amortization. What is the calculation method of amortization? So I'll take it SSC net. I'll come there again back. Okay, what is this calculation of amortization and what it involved? See, above this key date valuations, define amortization procedure. Here we have these many methods. Someone has created something, but LAC net, LAC gross, SSC net, and SSC gross is the standard ones. So we are adopting SSC net. So what is there? Here we can maintain the price rate type, exchange rate type M. So calculation category SS, gross or net, amortization to the end of the term. So whether you want to include interest also, accrued interest on the time of executing the amortization at the period end, whether you want to include interest or not. that we can decide here. Then here
Okay.
include capitalization interest. If there is a interest method capitalization compounding interest, then whether include that one or not, that is also we can decide with the as per the requirements of or as per the procedure which procedure client is following. Based on that, we'll change the settings here. Effective interest treatment, adjust effective interest rate immediately standard. That is the one.
Mm-hmm.
And cost effective interest rate of this thing, rest or retrospective. These are the methods available. Generally, we'll take this one only. If uh, client insists that if they are maintaining cost effective interest rate, then we can go for cost of what are based on the requirements, we'll make these adjustments here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll change this one. Adjust effective interest rate immediately. That is the thing. Reset is possible. All the things based on the client requirement, we'll do it. As of now,
Okay.
initially, just I am not touching that one. Once we are familiar with, then amortization will also come under insecurities. At the time of thing, then we can change it. Okay, different
Mm-hmm.
procedure methods we can use it. This is the new feature added here. Uh, new step added in the position management procedure.
Okay.
We can use it based on the requirement. We can use or we can copy paste and change this also. Okay, here I am
Mm-hmm.
using foreign currency valuation. Why? Because our loans, if we take loans and LIBOR, this thing, then we required foreign currency valuation also, exchange rate fluctuations.
Mm-hmm.
Then amortization is if you want to amortize this processing charges and other things, that we require this amortization procedure. So again, we have different, if the requirement is one step by right valuation and security valuation also, if the client requires all the thing, transfer of current portion, that we will discuss later. Okay. Okay. Once if we use amortization, we cannot use this transfer of current position. That also we'll see when we do this thing, amortization and this thing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then assignment position management procedure. Select new entries, accounting code demo, product type, LTL 2501. This is our assignment procedure. Then derived business transaction are required, linked to other account. This thing, account assignment reference. We'll create our new account assignment reference. Account assignment reference, then define account assignment reference determination. 55A, so many things are there.
Mm-hmm.
So let's check. Oh, so many conditions they have given. Okay, we'll create our new one. Then we'll see. Just move. Account assignment reference. Constant. LTL. Condition. Product type will select. Then define account determination for treasury and risk management.
Mm-hmm.
So interest revenue only we are taken. Don't think so. We have created. We need to create one GL for so liabilities. Oh, it's already created. Okay. Okay. So new entries. Account symbol 1. Account assignment reference LTL. GL account. So long-term loan. Bank. So the bank clearing, we are not selected account assignment reference, so it is open for all the things. Then
Okay.
next, once this money market is over, we'll come back after long-term loans, and we'll see instead of bank clearing account, we'll maintain the clearing account, TR clearing account. Then only we can use this payment request. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
that will do it. So now this is one part. When we want to go for LIBOR or variable interest,
Mm-hmm.
then we need to create this interest reference rate. So there we will need to go to basic functions,
Mm-hmm.
market data management, master data, check reference interest rates. Here we have all the SAP provides certain these things. So okay, we see LIBOR USD 01. So 0103 up to 12 months it will maintain 369. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
configuration. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to create any new reference rates, then we need to create. First here we need to create, and then next step define reference interest rates.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the description, long-term currency, interest, other quotation type, that is rate type, ask rate or bid rate or this thing. What is the term, time unit, monthly. Here we need to assign the yield curve. So even without yield curve also we can do it, but yield curve is a prerequisite. So when we come to valuations in forex hedging, when we go for hedging and all the things, then we require this yield curve type. So just I am giving brief this thing, and I'll go for define yield curve types. Okay, we'll see the 991 there. Okay, display. So here we'll maintain our payment frequency, interest paid annually, standard, ask rate, bid rate. Then here, what are the currencies we are using?
Mm-hmm.
And then when we go for, so suppose USD, what is the calendar? Calendar also we are not assigned, but we need to assign calendar. So these are the reference rates. Based on this interest reference rates, system will calculate zero bond discount coupon. Okay, that we'll discuss in when we go for forex and hedging. These all are calculations are related to this thing, hedge
Okay.
management. So
Okay.
just, okay. So as of now, we don't require for loans and other things. So why? Because when amortization comes into picture, it will ask something. That's why we need to do these things. So this is what we have. So next we can make the transaction also. So I'll at least probably will get videos and all the things by today, so
Mm-hmm.
that you go through the videos and practice something today and tomorrow. Just you can spend some time on this, so that
Mm-hmm.
Monday we'll make transactions of this thing. We'll
Okay.
make transaction and we'll go for it. How to fix the LIBOR interest rate manually and automatically, and where to maintain. So
Okay.
in brief, I can give you something. Basic functions. This is the market data management. Manual market data. Interest reference rates. This is where we'll maintain automatically. We need to maintain the reference rates. Then we can update. When we go to transaction manager, money market, back office. Here, variable, update plan records, all the things. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
TI10 price. This is manual processing. This is automatic processing. Reverse and reverse. So this is the manual. So we'll make one transaction, and for one quarter we'll make manually, and second other quarter we'll maintain manually. Sorry, automatically.
Automatically. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Today, thank you. So sorry I am disturbing you on weekends
No, it's a
also.
pleasure. Actually, thank you for that.
Why? Because 2 classes we missed. So that's why I want to just brief it.
Thank you for that.
Why? Because when we see money market, securities and all the things, we don't have much thing. When we
Mm-hmm.
enter into hedging only, we need more time. And then these analyzers, uh, basic analyzer settings, we need to do it, and then limit management under credit risk. There we require more of the time. Why? Because we need to maintain the, see, risk analyzers fields are different. These others fields are different. General in treasury. Only uh, when we enter into risk analyzers, we need to maintain certain fields, a portfolio, all the things. That fields are different from our general table fields. That is the only the thing. So there we need to spend some time. Hedging and here both we need to spend more time. That's
Mm-hmm.
why I'm not dragging, and I'm want to finish this at the earliest.
Okay.
There we can spend as much of time we can. So
Understood.
until you get this thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
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 So yeah, please, for the videos today.
I'll remember. I'll remember
Yeah.
him. Okay. Right. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks,
Thank
Ravi.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.